Welcome fall. Explore the beauty of fall, autumn. Introduction. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about a wonderful season called fall, also known as autumn. Let's explore the amazing things that happen during this time of the year. What is fall? Fall is a season that comes after summer and before winter. It usually starts in September and lasts until December. During fall, the weather becomes cooler and the leaves on the tree change color. Changing leaves. One of the most beautiful things about fall is the changing color of leaves. Leaves turn from green to shade of yellow, orange and red. This is because the trees are getting ready for winter. Falling leaves. As the day gets cooler, the leaves fall from the trees. This creates a carpet of colorful leaves on the ground. People love to play in these leaves and even jump into big piles of them. Harvest time. Fall is also a time for harvesting. Farmers gather ripe fruits and vegetables from their fields. Pumpkin, apples and corn are some of the delicious foods that are harvested in the fall. Fun activities. During fall, there are many fun things to do. You can do apple picking at an orchard, visit a pumpkin patch to find the perfect pumpkin, or go on nature walk to enjoy the beautiful scenery. Celebration. There are special holidays in fall like Halloween and Thanksgiving. On Halloween, people dress up in costumes and go trick or treating for candy. Thanksgiving is a time together with family and friends and give thanks for the good things in life. Cozy clothes. Because it gets cooler during fall, we get to wear cozy clothes like sweaters, scarves and jackets. It is a time for warm drinks like hot chocolate and spiced tea. Conclusion. Fall is a magical season when the leaves change color, the air